only tells you areas below, completely below something. So there's got to be something different you got to do here. 1.92 and 2.81 are both up here. What do I shade? Just in between, right? Because what's it say? Z between these two. Bam, just there. So I know my picture's not to scale, but I know my answer should be relatively small. Should be a relatively small area in there. How the hell am I going to do this shit? If I look up 2.81, what do you get? Anybody look that up yet? I heard somebody say something. 2.81, what do you get? Oh yeah, 9975, right? Where's that on the picture? That is the area that is where? Below 2.81. So I don't know if you picked up on this. I know you always put z-scores down here, and you always put areas up there. Because areas look like z-scores. That's so freaking evil. Right? If you don't know what I'm saying, you will when you start doing the work. So when I look up 2.81, I got 0.9975. That's this entire area. That is way too much. Exactly how much too much area is that? Yeah, if I look up 1.92, that's this area. So what am I going to do with those two areas to get just this much? Subtract them. That's way too much area. It didn't stop where it was supposed to. So if I figure out what this area is and cut it off from that, it leaves me with this. So what is the area below 1.92?
9726.
Do it again.
9726.
9726. So what you guys got? Good, okay. And then, so if I subtract this from this, I'll be left with this. So sure enough, I get 0.0249. Is that what you get? Okay, thank God. Sweet. I like it. You guys all right so far? That's really everything that could happen to you. So let me give you this. Oh. All right, guys, so do number